To anyone out there thinking about getting started in the trash bin cleaning business and you're shopping around and these lead times are killing you. You want to start your business next week. You want to start in a couple weeks. We do have trucks available in stock right now. So visit ecowashindustries.com or give us a call 480-789-0931. And this video here is just some clips of why it's so important to start your business with the right piece of equipment. Now this process, this is a stinger truck. The trash company or a city will send out a stinger truck to collect the filthy, broken down dumpster that's been sitting out in the field for some time, and they need to swap them out. This process is hideous. It costs them anywhere from $350 to $400 per container. But as you can see, if one dumpster is sitting out there way too long, untouched, it's just collecting trash over that time, not being maintained at all. You can see on the left here, it's gonna get pretty bad. And you know, this causes public hazard. You know, businesses are gonna complain. So those companies are forced to figure out how to get that dumpster from point A to point B. And they've been doing it like this for years. But the wear and tear on the stinger truck, the labor, the liability insurance, I mean, obviously loading up these dumpsters and driving them out there, it's a lot of risk and it's a lot of liability. If something happened, the tire popped or blew out on the highway, it's a lot of risk, right? So it's a lot of money and expense and budgets every year they put out in order to maintain these containers. With this truck, showing off this truck, getting it out there, doing demos and showing them, hey, I have this piece of equipment, let me handle that for you. And I'll only charge you $100 per container. They're already spending at a low $350. Why wouldn't they work with you? You know, the importance is getting out there, showing off the first good impression. If you're showing up in this small little, you know, trailer that can only clean trash, but you can't help this process. And, you know, I think that's the problem. This is what you need to understand is having the right piece of equipment can open up more opportunity. I mean, this truck, the hybrid 2-in-1 truck, we pioneered it, we developed it, we built it, we put it on the market, we've proven the concept, we procure municipality contracts with it. It can do both. You can do dumpsters and residential cans all on the same system, not leaving you limited to just one side of our business. Give yourself more opportunity and you know, do a little more research. We're here. We're available to talk anytime. You could call me at 480-789-0931. Visit ecowashindustries.com. And again, I'd love to chat with you, see what we can do to help you out. My name is Greg Aganowski. I really do appreciate your time. Make it a great day.